Hey everyone, here today we're checking out two awesome pieces of gear from Fifine, the K688 dynamic microphone and the BM63 microphone mount. So whether you're a streamer, podcaster, musician, or just starting out like me, good audio is important. So let's see if this combo delivers. Now you might ask, well, you do mostly keyboard videos and sound tests, so why microphone? Well, a good microphone is important for sound, for your voice, and also a good microphone is important for sound test for the keyboards. Now, look here at the sleek design. It feels super solid and well built. Definitely not a cheap plastic toy. Now inside, we have a 5/8 to 3/8 screw adapter that's inside this little pouch. And you also have the USB-C to USB-A adapter. Also have an option of using an XLR cable or an XLR to USB with phantom power. However, I won't be using it today in this video. It's just for demonstration purposes. Now moving on to the BM63 mount. This mount looks sturdy and it's adjustable and exactly what you need for positioning the mic perfect. Everything feels smooth and secure, which is important when you're recording and want to avoid any unwanted sounds. Included is also the bracket that mounts to the desk and also where the mount sits on for adjustment. Now let's start connecting everything together. You can see the first thing that I'm going to connect is the shock mount adapter. Now we're ready to set and place the shock mount in the adapter with the provided bolt. Now what's a video without B-roll? So now the B-roll. Now two different sound tests and a quick review. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a closest sound test of the Fifine K688 dynamic microphone that's sitting right in front of me in a 30-degree angle and at 3 inches away from me. Let's go. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. How many pickled peppers can Peter Piper pick? Pondering on pounding plosive sound test. Pondering, pounding plosive sound test. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, this is a plosive sound test of the Fifine K688 dynamic microphone. Let's go. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. How many pickled peppers can Peter Piper pick? Pondering on pounding parodies. Pounding parodies with pickled peppers that Peter Piper just picked. Now about the price, quality, and options. For $72.99 on Amazon.com, the Fifine K688 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a microphone on a budget without having to compromise for quality and still have different options for connectivity with the USB-C or an XLR cable setup. Another pro of a dynamic microphone is that you get that rich radio jockey sound that people love from dynamic microphones. Another pro of the dynamic microphone is that the capsule captures all the sound from the front. So that means if you want to capture as much sound as possible, You face the microphone directly in front of you or whatever object you're trying to get sound from. Now, that also means that if you're trying to get less sound or less plosive feedback, you can increase your distance or change the angle at which you want the sound to be captured from. So as you can see, I'm changing my distance and the angle at which I am relative to the microphone. And the amount of sound it captures changes. However, once I come back to the center, you can see that it captures the most sound available.